Hi, this is Noah from screenprintexchange.com. This is the second video. I figured out how to do it. I don't know if it's proper, but it's proper for scrapping. So here's one that I took out and the back stayed on. And here's one where it stayed off. If I would push this in, everything would fly out. So let's take one out. Remember, don't do this on a live box and don't do it the way I'm doing it. Because it's probably, oh, I broke it. See? No good. That's how to do it improperly. And I think this is so old that it's like breaking easily. So I just wedge that and then I can get in the back of it. And then it comes out. Not the easiest to get out, I'll tell you that. And there must be some kind of trick to do it. See, the back is on. And, you know, it is what it is. Let's keep on doing it. So I'm doing it so I can get to this part. This one's tricky. Well, it's no good when you hear a crack. So I'm definitely doing these wrong. But it is what it is. Go to another channel if you have these and figure it out if you have one and you don't want to replace. See? Look at it. Cardboard next to electricity. Not great, right? Well, did that one wrong too. I'm not going to be selling these on eBay. I guess I'm going to scrap them. So it's a kind of a fail video, but it doesn't matter. These are all going to get scrapped. So, you know, this is a hard one because it's double pull. That means not a double pull. It's two fuses in one spot, breakers in one spot. So, sorry for the swinging. I have the camera below me. So, I bet some electricians are making fun of me right now. So, and they should, because I'm actually having fun doing it. Because sometimes it's fun just to break things. So, the stupid cardboard. There you go. And the main one, and you can see that, I don't know if that's the main or what it is, but I think it's more like just I think that's like a 50 amp double pull. It's probably for like electric, like an air conditioner or something. Furnace, air conditioner, whatever. Yeah, this one's a hard one. And we may not do this one on the video. It's probably right here. You have to break that off. Well, I have to break it off. A competent person wouldn't. So, yeah. Well, here's the cleat. If I can get the cleat bent. So we're obviously not doing this correctly. Don't put me anywhere near a box like this. But you don't see these that often anymore, as much. So we're going to end this video, but thank you. Like it, make fun of me, and leave comments and join. Thank you. Bye.